Anyway, I'm going to talk about a bit of electrical and safety after. You know, like I said, this is a high glue stick. There's a specific amperage rating in the menu too. You always read the menu, people. I hate that. Unless you like me who put marbles in your mouth just to see how they work. I mean, I could do that, but read the manual. The one of these are positive and one of these are neutrals. But remember correctly, the white one is positive and the small one is neutral. Was it right hot, left not? What's one of them? Anyway, make sure you read the amps of this pull out, know how much water is pull out, and make sure your socket or your breaker can handle this, or make sure you don't have many things on your socket. If your fuse breaker is 30 amps and if your voltage is like 240, 220, or 120, and that fuse breaker into that specific socket is like 20 amperage, you times both of them to get the wattage, and you figure out what this is, and figure out how much watt is put out. If this is over that amount, this cannot go. They will blow your fuse breaker, box breaker, or tube breaker. Tube breakers are overrated. Like I said, be careful. And make sure with a high glue stick, this end does not touch nothing burning. I don't mind because I'm constantly cleaning over and over and over and over and over. So, fun stuff. On top of that is this butane tank. And this is where it comes from. This out of both of these, I said that electrical one is more expensive. This right here is more dangerous. When you check these, make sure you read them both. Before you use it, pour water on the top. Don't even close the top, and then pour water on it. If you see any water blowing bubbles out, that means there's a leak in there. Get rid of it quickly. Once you turn this fully on it, once you finish using it, try to point this away from you. Use it as you need it. Once you finish using it, pour water on it again, just to be safe. Any air leaking out is bad. Then, once you set that safe, you unscrew this, take this off. Then, you put this in a safe spot. Then, you go outside somewhere since this is gas, and you let this out. You open it. You make sure the air goes out. I had to learn this on my own accord for the nozzle. The air will stay inside of this if you don't purge it out or clean it out. And once you hook it back again, the air will push the back into the tank and blow it back out. I learned that a while ago. As a not sheet metal fabricator, as I was blacksmithing some stuff. That is the best thing. Make sure. Bye.